A day after the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission warned that it won't be intimidated from seeking legal interpretation on the issue of presidential result tallying, the opposition coalition is now toning down its threats.
Hatutaki IEBC iturudishe nyuma. Hayo ndio sisi tunasema. Na tayari tumejaingia ndani ya hiyo kesi.
NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga says the opposition was not intimidating the electoral body, but it should respect the High Court ruling and instead concentrate on the electoral preparedness ahead of the August elections.
IEBC inatakana waheshimu sheria vile ilivyo. Na mahakama tayari ilifanya uamuzi ya kusema ati matokeo ya kura ambayo imetangazwa na yule msimamizi ya kura katika sehemu wakilishi bungeni inakuwa ndio mwisho.
The commission is seeking, like every other Kenyan should do, is to get the law set straight, and it's about interpretation of the law, and we should all wait to hear what the Court of Appeal will say.
Kwa hivyo lolote ambalo ama chochote ambacho koti itaamua, kiwa ni kizuri, kiwa ni kibaya, kulingana na watu, lazima kiheshimike.
But speaking separately, Jubilee Party Secretary General Raphael Tuju accused the opposition of coercing the judiciary and inciting the public against the electoral body IEBC.
Should the court rule that the lower court was right, we are fine with that. If the court rules that the lower court was in error, that's okay with us. I think what we must respect is the rule of law.
Elsewhere, a consortium of civil societies has faulted the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission of failing to address issues being raised on the preparedness of the August election, citing an example of how data for the president votes will be secured from any interference.
Don't be defensive and expect that you're not allowed to be open to scrutiny. As a public body, you are, and you're supposed to be ready to be open to the toughest and even very unkind scrutiny.
If political parties will be able to monitor, and we know that the final results are at the constituency level, you only file a dispute in relation to that particular constituency that you have an issue with.
The lobbyists say the electoral body should address all matters being raised to instill confidence in the public for a credible electoral process. Samson Kitavi, Channel 1 News.